how to remove Peugeot RCZ instrument cluster. It's going to look a bit different for you because the steering wheel is off, but it's just easier to record as well. You don't have to remove the steering column top cover, but if you have to, just remove the 2 screws to the bottom steering column cover. Otherwise, going forward, you have to remove this cover over here, which is not necessarily impacted by the steering column top cover. It's flexible. So you need to go in with your plastic tool and pull this one out. As you can see, it comes off. I'm just going to remove the steering column cover to make it easier to video record. What there is there's 2 openings on either side, one over here and one to the other side. And with a little tool that's not too long and not too thick, you need to go in from these openings on each side at the same time simultaneously. And you need to unclip the bottom of the instrument cluster first and then pull it out. To show you, this is what you're doing. You're pushing this middle piece down and you're doing this on both sides. And then because the top part slides up, so you have to pull the bottom out first. And that's the things that slide up. So when you're putting it, like taking it out, the top goes in, slots in, and then you push in the bottom to clip it into position. But going forward, to unplug, you just need to press onto this part of this plug here. With the other one, there's a locking mechanism. Press onto this part here, and then pull the black part, and then it will unplug. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.